$700.
Yeah, why are you putting 50 on it?
I guess so. I guess I'm not got 50. I guess.
I'm just saying, even numbers.
Well, I'm gonna stay here, hang out here all day today, and try to make sure they get that stuff out the backyard. And I'll confirm with you tonight about tomorrow. That's fine. Let me know.
You a biker? No?
I mean, I ride, but I don't ride like that, you know.
That's cool. I ain't gonna tell on you.
I can do a wheelie.
Oh yeah?
What you talking about? Them dirt bikes that people be doing like this on? I can do a wheelie on a crotch rocket. Oh, that's scary.
Yeah. I ain't never ever in my life rode one.
I had a motorcycle for a minute.
You drove it?
I had one. I had one decked out and everything.
You talking about the one with the shit like that, with the long arms?
You ever see the picture of it?
No, I didn't even know you had one. I know you had that little 3-wheel thing.
Yeah, no, I had a motorcycle.
Oh, nigga, for real? Oh, Harley?
Yeah.
Oh, no, I definitely never seen that. I didn't know you had a Harley. You drove it? Really? I can't even picture you riding a bike.
You said you're getting the same window from Menards. It's already in the basement. Okay, cool. Yeah. It opens the same way or whatever. Same thing. Yeah. I'll fix that corner or whatever. I can't believe that stuff like.
It's like yeah, 6-7 minutes that way.
6 minutes, 5 minutes that way.
There you go. I knew that. That's what I said.
That's the street right there. Yeah. Right up. You just gotta get
Nice. Like that backsplash, don't you? Like that backsplash. Nigga, this kitchen cold. Them cabinets look luxurious, you feel me? With the fly transforming light. You seen it transform?
That's the one that spin out. That's nice.
How you
Yeah, I've seen the video.
Oh, okay.
And all this shit moves.
Nigga, that's a $200 light. You know what I paid for that?
$30.
40. You was close. The rings. I like the Art Deco
What color
stuff.
is the paint? What color is the wall paint?
What colors? I don't know the name of it. Why? What it look like?
No, I'm just saying like is it beige, white?
I don't know. I mixed it myself. I bought all the mist tints from Sherwin-Williams and I put them in a bucket. Okay, we're good then.
We're gonna worry about Elmdale after that. I'm gonna have to do this first.
Well, our budget for Elmdale, I don't even remember what the budget was, honestly. But I'm gonna tell you where we at.
Yeah, because all the what you call it, all the expenses was on you.
All the what?
I said all the expenses.
On Elmdale?
Yeah, all the repair expenses. That was on your budget. But I don't know what our overall budget was.
I think it was 20. Remember I said I can do it for less than 20?
I don't remember.
And you was like, nah, man, it's gonna be like 25. Watch.
What was the price of the house?
43.8. 43.8.
Okay, that was 43.8. So.
And gave Jerry 10.5. Well, right now, anyway, we at 18,226. Hold on, is that you? You gave.
I spent something on them there too.
I know, I got it on here. You gave Dakota 1,300. You gave. I guess you bought some dry fall, $153, and then you got something from Home Depot that was $345, and you got something else from Home Depot that was $40. I don't know what though.
I'm trying to tell you. You want me to tell you?
No, it don't matter. I just need the numbers. But anyway, we got about 1,800 left to keep it at 20.
Well,
because if we go over 20,
the carpet and the floor is gonna eat that up.
Yeah.
So I mean, we can still go over a little bit over there.
So basically.
And then the trash.
Yeah, but even if we go over there, 43. What's this say? We do 20. That's what? That's still 63 all in. And we probably gonna sell that house for more than this one. All in? That's beautiful, nigga. Even if we got 100, that's 40. That's 38,000.
No, I mean.
Oh.
You do good.
I be trying. go in here and see what we looking like. This is the carpet I ended up going with. It's like a grayish, tannish type situation. Well, let's go see how it actually looks inside. You feel me? Oh, okay. What's going on?
I saw man.
Going out? Okay. Smells like carpet. Oh shoot, I can't go in there. What does it smell? Must be the mop. I think we just took a shit. Floor's looking better. Still taking too long though. I definitely got the definitely see he got the lines out, which is good. It's cool.
That's a long ass hip. That's a long ass hip up there, motherfucker.
I know. Yeah, these muds do look a lot better, I will say. But you got to do something about them edges.
I mean, but you can't really get. I mean,
What?
but once you put the poly on it, I mean, because
It's gonna still
be perfect.
It's gonna still show.
Yeah, it's gonna show up
Let me see.
rough around the edges.
That look horrible, but oh yeah, this look much better.
Huh?
This look much better. Feel better too.
Oh, you did the steps.
Told you that what's the price included. See up here though. And I gotta go get these thresholds. Smell like a new house up here. Beautiful. Oh yeah.
Okay, when I now goes another house, when take the carpet and bed in the room, you coming back, okay?
You know it's only
Same like box, yeah?
yeah. You know
No
it's only
alarm?
5 minutes down the street.
Yeah, yeah. You have
Oh.
alarm or no alarm?
It's off already.
Okay.
What do you mean? The boxes they go right here?
Yeah, you can buy them and set them there. So you saying you can't buy a box and set it right here?
Well, I mean, yeah, you probably could buy a box and set it right here.
No. Set it right here. You
You
saying
talking about the one to go across here?
the exact
Look,
same one you want? You can't buy. You tell me you can't buy one?
I wanted the ones that go into the truck.
Oh, you talking about built into the side?
Yeah. But I
That's
did
for-
see
That's
something
for
where
professionals.
I seen something where they got something that swing out and go over the wheel well. But you got to install it. You got to
See, I'm thinking the whole time I'm thinking you talking about the big metal box that go in the back.
They go across?
Yeah,
Oh, that's ugly. No,
I thought that's what you wanted.
you don't know.
You got one now?
Huh?
Do you have one now? Oh no. You act like you really doing handyman work.
I gotta put my drill somewhere.
I put mine under the seat. I got mine. I'm ready.
Round boxes. You know what the round box is.
Let me see what you talking about, man.
Man, you can't be serious, bro.
The round box.
You cannot know what the round boxes is, bro. That right
That
there.
little cubby hole.
There's one on each side.
I mean, okay, but you ain't doing no work. What you want one for?
You know how I got that little box in the back?
Yeah,
of my
that's
car?
perfect.
Just
That's perfect.
sliding around.
That's perfect for somebody like you.
But it's just sliding around.
All you gotta do is take some nails and drill it to the ground. And you'll be good. Okay, over here. And this stuff's still dusty. I ain't clean none of it down. I ain't clean the wall off at all. Anyway. Guess I just hit it with a broom or something. But anyway, about to turn this light on. Hit this wall, do my art thing on this wall right quick. I got an idea. I know what I'm gonna do now. Set that right there. Stem from here to there. Okay. I'm done. I know I had a tendency to overdo things, so I'm gonna just stop right there.